Good day, ladies and gentlemen. If you're in Victoria, Australia, and you'd like to book an online driving test, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the first thing you need to do is go to vicroads.vic.gov.au. You will need to create an account, and then you will end up here. The account creation process is simple. All you need to do is add your personal information. On here, on the left-hand side, you will see I want to. You're going to just hover your cursor over that, and here you will see a list. We can go down to book an appointment for licenses and registration. Let's go ahead and open that up. Once we've opened this up, you can scroll down. You'll see a few options. But right over here, you will see book your probationary license test. Let's go ahead and open that up. Over here, you can see some eligibility. So you need to make sure that you meet all of these clauses over here. Also, when you're going to your appointment, your learner permit card or your category A evidence of identity needs to be with you, as well as your completed logbook or your completed hours for the My Learners app. That's if you're under 21. Once we're done, we're going to click on continue. Over here, step 2 of 6, you will select your test. So as you go down here, you will see that you need to first complete the hazard perception test. You can do this online. And if you do it online, the very first time it will be free. So it will not be $42.80. And once you've completed that, you will go then and select your drive test. You'll come down here and you'll tap on continue. Now, of course, you need a learner's permit or a learner's license before you can actually book your drivers. So once you've done so, you will enter your learner permit or your customer number, and then your last name. You'll have to select that you're a human and then click on continue. Thereafter, you will select in step 4, 5, and 6 some other personal details, and then you will make a booking at the most available and most convenient time slot. And the last step will entail making a payment and confirming your booking.